The western coast of Kerala is a dream. A perfect mix of palm fringed beaches, turquoise waters, and a laid back vibe that makes you want to stay forever. This is where Kerala's beach culture comes to life. Small coastal town, stunning sunsets, and some of the best cafes. In this episode, we leave behind the misty mountains of Wayanad and head straight for the golden shores of Varkala. I'm going to take you through a side of Varkala that is untouched and offbeat. And I'm going to give you a list of places that you can visit either in 1 day's time or 2 days' time if you have the luxury of it. So come, let's explore a different side of Varkala. We started our day in the most Varkala way possible with a cup of Italian coffee at Bindu's Cafe. This little cafe has its own vibe and it's located just a short walk from the beach. So it's the perfect pit stop before you dive into the day. The mornings in Varkala are calm and welcoming with people swimming, sunbathing or heading out to catch the waves. In fact, Varkala is considered one of the best beginner-friendly surfing spots in India. The waves are consistent, the crowd is chill, and there are a bunch of surf schools that offer great beginner lessons. We are now heading to the Mangrove Village Adventure Park, which is just a 25 to 30 minute drive from the main Varkala town. We hopped on a local boat and glided through the backwaters surrounded by lush mangroves. The ride takes about an hour and is completely guided by the oarsman who knows the area like the back of their hand. As the sun began to dip, we made our way to the North Cliff. No day is incomplete without watching the sunset. But instead of the beach, we went to the cliff, a spot that gives you an elevated view of the coastline, the waves crashing below, and the sky turning shades of orange and pink. You'll also find cafes lined up on the cliff so you can grab a drink and enjoy the view. Day 2 began with another amazing cafe, Trip is Life. Now this one's popular with both locals and travelers for its cozy interiors and friendly vibe. But what you absolutely must try here is their vanilla coffee. वर्कला में बहुत सारी बीचेस हैं, बट लोग गिन चुन के सिर्फ वर्कला बीच, ब्लैक सैंड बीच या कपिल बीच जाते हैं. But did you know that there's a beach named Odayam just 10 minutes walking from the black sand beach? There's very less crowd compared to the touristy beaches. So if you're in Varkala, then skip the usual touristy beaches and come to this beach instead. केरला में कुछ दिन बिता के ही पता चलता है why it's called God's own country. Its beautiful roads, warm people, clean beaches and scenic backwaters make you fall in love with the state.